Kiki, what you doing? She's having a field day in this bloody pool. I was sat inside and I could hear them. You're all soaking. And you, Sushi, you've been in, haven't you? Sushi. Little Miss Vocal. You've been in that bloody water. Oh yeah. Was it good? I don't think there's not one of them not been in it. I don't know, Foxy's... Oh, I don't know, it's hard to tell. I know he does go in it. Kiki loves it. And you, don't you, Holly? In fact, all of these do. Oh, you're all asking to go in? You had enough? Do you want to go back in now? Lie in the sun and dry off. I was hoping to catch him in the pool, but I've missed it again. I will get it. Hey, Foxy. And you, Tammy, you are soaking. You love the water. Kiki and Tammy are absolutely drenched. Mine, so's Holly.